to our second edition FMRC, the Future of Maintenance and Reliability Conference 2023.
I enjoy the most is on the networking. From the networking, actually, I met a lot of people looking for help, information, guidance. I'm proposing something that excites a lot of people. Hopefully, we can make this a reality in very, very near future.
I really like the speed networking session, which we can associate with others' expertise and someone else from the others' industry.
The speed networking session was very well. I think it was very proactive. Everyone was walking and talking and really mingling and exchanging business cards. So the last thing I'd like to take note is that the panel that we had, very diverse, and everyone had different level of expertise to share different industries and all. So the guests and all that were also very proactive in asking questions, and very dynamic group of industries here as well.
More or less, I think we met quite a number of key players in the industry, and we were able to converse, sort of share information on what we're able to provide. Hopefully, we'll generate some sort of a relationship beyond today's event.
The event met my expectation, definitely. Looking at the panel lineup, based on their experience and also the company that they serve, we can share all the knowledge, the best practices that they've done in their organization. So we are met here to blend the strategy that they made.
There are two things. One is on the airline industry. I'm on the airline maintenance reliability, something new for me, and there's a lot of new things that I've learned and new things that benefited me. The other one was on computing technologies in the maintenance reliability. So this is something that I can explore further. Probably I can bring back to my management for further discussions, and probably we can explore on how to automate things and make it less human dependent.
The unique thing about this event that I find is that it's a collaboration across industry. So it's not specific to the oil and gas industry. What I can see is people from the mill industry, from agriculture, from the aviation industry as well. So it's a good insight and to be inspired on the adaptation of technology that they have done successfully in other industries that we could share and bring into the oil and gas industry.
I would like to recommend all the practitioners to come over. This is the only event that raised our concern. We discuss about our pain point. We learn from them, and then we can go back and implement.
I will recommend my colleague to attend because actually they will open up our mind.
Definitely, I will recommend to my colleagues and friends in my company in the future.
Whatever I learned here today, it will be great to share the knowledge with the rest of the members within the Moxie fraternity.
Of course, I will recommend to my colleagues, especially my maintenance departments.